Now we perform the addition and subtraction of capacity. Now first example is based on addition of capacity. Here you are asked to add 5 liter 286 milliliter and 3 liter 150 milliliter. Firstly again make the proper column of liter and milliliter and arrange the given capacities in proper columns. Firstly write liter and milliliter as columns and then write 5 under the liter column and 286 under the milliliter column, and then write the next capacity in these columns. 3 would be written under the liter column and 150 would be written under the milliliter column. Now we would add milliliters first. 6 plus 0 gives 6, 8 plus 5 gives 13, and 3 would be written in this column and 1 would be carried to the next column, and the next column gives us 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4. So total of milliliters becomes 436. Now we move towards the addition of liters. Liters were 5 and 3 and their sum is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So answer is 8 liter and 436 milliliter. 8 liter and 436 milliliter are obtained when we add 5 liter 286 milliliter to 3 liter 150 milliliter. Now we perform subtraction of capacities. That is again very simple. As we perform the addition of these capacities, similarly we would perform the subtraction of capacities. Again we would firstly write the given capacities in proper columns that are of liter and milliliter. You are asked to subtract 4 liter 862 milliliter from 8 liter 936 milliliter. Firstly, we would write the bigger number above the smaller number. Bigger number is 8 liter 936 milliliter. So 8 would be written in the liter column and 936 would be written under the milliliter column. Now we would write the smaller capacity in these columns. That is, we would write 4 under liter column because 4 liter are given here and 862 milliliter were given. So we would write 862 under the column of milliliter. Now we would perform the subtraction. Now 6 minus 2 gives us 4. We can't subtract 6 from 3, so we would borrow one number from the one digit from the next column, and as we take 1 from here, 8 is left here and it becomes 13 at the place of 3. So 13 minus 6 gives us 7, 8 minus 8 gives us 0, and 8 minus 4, in case of liters, it is again 8 minus 4 which gives us 4. So your answer is 4 liter 74 milliliter. 0 is not counted here because 0 is at the first place, means 0 is at the hundreds place in case of milliliter. So your answer would be 4 liter 74 milliliter. Now we solve the word problem based on addition and subtraction of the capacities. Example 1 says that Tony's car had 16 liter 100 milliliter of petrol. After a long drive, he found only 7 liter 250 milliliter left. How much petrol was consumed in the drive? Means you have to find the capacity of the petrol that has been left in the Tony's car. Word problem would be solved as, firstly we would write the statement for it. Petrol at the start of journey equal to 16 liter 100 milliliter. Again it is written in the proper column of liter and milliliter. 16 would be written under the liter column and 100 would be written under the milliliter column. And petrol at the end of journey equal to 7 liter 250 milliliter. Now we have to find out the petrol consumed during the journey, and for it we would subtract the given capacities, and by subtracting 7 liter 250 milliliter from 16 liter 100 milliliter, we get 8 liter 850 milliliter. We would perform the subtraction as we done in the previous example of subtracting the masses, subtracting the capacities. Following the same method, we would subtract here, and in this way we get 8 liter 850 milliliter. So this is how we can solve the word problem based on addition and subtraction of capacities. Now you can solve exercise 11.7 in your books or in the notebooks. Now we come to the topic which is multiplication and division of capacities. Firstly, we solve the example based on multiplication of capacity. Here you are asked to multiply 2 liter 104 milliliter by 2. Firstly, we would write the given capacity in proper columns, that is columns of liter and milliliter. Here you are asked to multiply 2 liter 104 milliliter by 2. So multiply milliliter by 2 first, and then we would multiply the liter by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So milliliters are 208. And now we multiply liter by 2, 2 twos are 4. So your answer is 4 liter 208 milliliter. Similarly, we can perform the division in capacities. Now in example 2, you are asked to divide 4 liter 638 milliliter by 3. 4 liter 638 milliliter. This is the capacity that you are given and you are asked to divide it by 3. You can firstly convert this capacity into milliliter and then you can divide it by number 3. You know that 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter means 4000 milliliter plus 638 milliliter. It gives us 4638 milliliter. You can divide the given capacity by 3 by arranging the number in proper columns also, or you can divide the capacity by 3 by converting it into smaller units also. And here we are following this method by converting the given capacity in the smaller units, and smaller unit is milliliter here. So we have converted 4 liter 638 milliliter into milliliters and we obtained 4638 milliliter in this case. And now we divide this capacity by 3, 4638 by 3. It gives us 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 gives us 1. We bring down 6 here. 3 fives are 15. 16 minus 15 gives us 1. 3 is brought down. When 13 is divided by 3, you know that 3 fours are 12. So 1 is left over here and 8 is brought down and 3 6 are 18. 0 is remainder in this case. So your answer is 1546 milliliter. But your question was given in the form of liter and milliliter. So again, you have to convert this milliliter into liter and milliliter by taking out thousands from here or by dividing it by 1000. So 1546 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter plus 546 milliliter. It means 1 liter 546, 1 liter and 546 milliliter. So your answer is 1 liter 546 milliliter. Now we come to word problems based on multiplication and division of capacity. This example says 1 liter 634 milliliter of water leaks out from a tank every day. There is a tank which is leaky and it is given that every day 1 liter 634 milliliter is leaked out. How much water is lost from the tank in 4 days? Means you know that if there is leakage in 1 day, which is given in liter and milliliter, and you have to find the leakage in 4 days, it would be more. So in that case, you would multiply the given capacity by 4. So you would write the statement first, that is water lost in 1 day equal to 1 liter 634 milliliter and water lost in 4 days is equal to, we would multiply 1 liter 634 milliliter multiplied by 4, and by multiplying this number we would get 6 liter 536 milliliter. This is your answer. Now you can solve this exercise 11.8 in your book or notebook to reinforce the concept. And this is all for this chapter. I hope you understood all the topics covered in this chapter thoroughly. If something is not clear to you, then you may repeat this video to clear all these things. And now we will meet you with the next chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and please practice the question thoroughly.